Hey guys, so today we are going to be talking about my favorite curly hair purchases from Amazon. Like everyone else, I'm addicted to Amazon Prime. I frequent the website a lot and look for things that I don't need, but come in handy. So, I don't have that much here, surprisingly, for the amount of stuff I buy, but I still wanted to share some of my favorites because Amazon seems to be a place that is accessible to a large amount of people. First thing we have here is this satin, that sounded very fancy the way I just pronounced that. The first thing we have here is this satin pillowcase. I've mentioned numerous times the importance of sleeping on a silk or satin pillowcase if you have curly hair. It's going to lead to less friction, less breakage, less knots. It's just overall good for your hair as well as your skin. This one has like the little flap so it doesn't fall off, which is really convenient, or they have the ones with the zippers. Moving on to hair products, I have to mention Moptop Curly Hair Custard. This is a perfect one and done product. I have a video talking about this all by itself. I've mentioned this numerous times as well, but this is a hybrid of like a gel and a cream, no, oil. I don't know, it's moisturizing, but still a gel. It's quite liquidy, but also thick. I'm a walking contradiction today. This is a really amazing product. Hi. This is definitely a staple for me. I just reach for this when I know I want a reliable product that's going to work and I'm going to have an almost guaranteed good hair day. Next I have some oils. I have the Jamaican black castor oil as well as the Strong Roots Red Pimento Hair Growth Oil. Now someone did mention to me that this also contains black castor oil, so it's not really necessary to have both, but I do mix the both of these and apply them to my scalp. When I do it regularly, I do notice a difference in my hair as far as like thickness and overall health and shine goes, and I just started implementing this back into my routine again. Really good for days that you want to deep condition and just kind of give your scalp a really nice treatment. And the hair growth oil, I know a lot of people say it helps with hair growth. My hair just tends to grow pretty quickly, so I can't say that this 100% helps with that. Either way, Jamaican black castor oil is really amazing for curly hair. Thank you, Amazon. Something I've been using lately while I have the oil on my scalp is this little... This is a little scalp massager. So these are little roly beads on here. Yes, that is the exact term. But you just kind of like massage your head. This is just something really easy to use like while you're watching TV and you have some oil in your hair. Just kind of go ahead and give yourself a nice little quick scalp massage. Scalp massagers are going to stimulate hair growth. It doesn't get tangled in my hair or anything, which I definitely thought it would because of these little balls here, but it's not a problem. And then also this can be used for fluffing your hair as well. So this is like a dual purpose thing. And this is something I get a lot of questions about. I get asked frequently if I use a Denman brush, and so I finally ordered one. I got the all black one. I don't know why that was worth mentioning. You guys have noticed in my past few routines, I have been brushing my hair out in the shower while it's wet. Sorry, Maggie's playing with a toy. This kind of runs through everything, but nice and gently. So it allows me to get all of the product evenly distributed throughout my hair. And also with finger detangling, it doesn't smooth the hair. So I want that smooth base to start with, and this does a really good job. It has a bunch of rows of bristles and they're all pretty tightly packed together, so it makes it really easy to kind of smooth through your hair and get all of the knots and tangles out, all while being gentle. I think this was under $15. Again, I'll have everything linked down below. A lot of people were asking if I like the Denman brush or if I've used it, and yeah, I do really like it. I think it's a really good brush. And then the last thing I'm so excited about, so many of you have recommended this to me or to each other, and that is the Black Orchid diffuser. I freaking love this. This blow dries my hair so quickly. I can't get over it. It's so much faster than what I was doing before. The only thing is if you have a Diva dryer like I do, this will not fit. So I have to like hold it on the base of my blow dryer. I can kind of like balance it on there. Just a heads up, if you have a Diva dryer, this will not fit. I was thinking about ordering the blow dryer that is compatible. I think for like the Xdava something blow dryer. I don't know. It's like 30 bucks, but I'm just being cheap about it because it still works with the Diva dryer. I just get like a very good forearm workout from it. If you guys have seen my diffusing video, you know that I was using that like collapsible diffuser for years, and I liked that one because it did create like a little basket for your hair to sit in, and this does that, but like to the extreme. It's so deep you can really fit a lot of your hair in there. I feel like you get really good volume from this. I really love this, so I'm really glad that so many of you guys had mentioned it. And yeah, this is like super inexpensive too. And then there's one other thing that I actually wanted to show you, but I can't like physically bring it over here. It's not really a curly hair item, but it is an organization and like storage piece that I got for under my counter, and I actually use it in my kitchen. If you're anything like me, you have a million different hair products and only so much space for storage. So I have this little, it's like a 2-tiered little pull out. I'll show you guys what I'll bring you in my kitchen and show you what it looks like. But it's really good for cabinet storage or like a linen closet or something. It just allows you to store so many more products. It's a really good space saver, and if you're someone who has a lot of products, this is a really good way to utilize that upward space in your cabinet. Okay guys, so those are all of my Amazon curly hair favorites. Leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite curly hair purchases from Amazon are. Also, if you'd be interested in a video of like my other beauty and like house and any other random Amazon favorites, I actually really enjoy watching those videos. So if you guys would like to see that from me, also let me know down below and I can definitely make that happen. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing rest of your week, and I will see you next time. Closely packed together. The bristle. Tell me why. It has a bunch of rows of bristles, so it